I'm gonna make some jerk the ripcord chicken wings for you, a Jamaican jerk dry rub, and a nice cool sour cream dipping sauce to take that edge right off. It's gonna be awesome. It's a real quick dry rub, classic dry rub, and I love it. You can buy it in the store, but I like to just tweak mine just a little bit by doing it myself. We got some ground coriander here, some cinnamon. I love the taste of cinnamon. A little toast in the morning, gotta love it. Garlic powder. Open up those flavors. Onion powder, same thing. A cayenne pepper. Heat that up just a little bit. Yes, sir. There we go. Some brown sugar. Yes. Put that in there. Beautiful. You know that's gonna sweeten it up. We got some pepper. Dried thyme. Very nice. Ground cinnamon. Put that in there. A couple hits of that. Got some salt. A couple more. We got cloves. Beautiful. Some allspice. Pretty simple right there. Now remember, the suicide wings, the wet marinade one I did for you is wet. This is dry. Carrie's coming over to help me out. She's got the wings. Okay, now all these are granular in texture, right? Those granulars, they will break into the chicken meat, creating micro pockets, infusing with some major mojo flavor all up into those chicken wings. Remember, 3 hours into the refrigerator. Carrie, you ready? Oh yeah, yeah, touchdown. Now this jerk spice, it's hot, but it's not like a spicy hot like that suicide wet sauce I just made for you. It's dry, but you're still gonna need something to take the edge off. And what I'm doing here, it's gonna make you a super simple, real nice, cool dipping sauce. Show you how fast and easy it is. All right, got some cilantro here, I'll get back to that. Some sour cream. Put some sour cream in here, a little bit of yogurt. It's easy, and like I said, fast. Some lemons. Oh, very nice, very nice. Now, just a little bit of cilantro. And remember, it doesn't have to be complicated to be good. And folks, as quickly as that, we have made a really nice, cool dipping sauce for those killer wings. I'm back on my grill. Gotta have a clean grill. And now we're gonna do a combination of direct grilling and indirect heat cooking. We've got high heat over here, nothing over here. Hot, cold. Flame, no flame. Pretty simple. Put them all right over the direct flame here. And all we're doing here, we're not cooking them fully here. We're just charring them. Oh, my Jamaican jerk rub right here with chicken wings. They're ready to go. Nice and charred. Look at that. See that right there? Beautifully. Nice and charred. Hey, but still a little raw on the inside. So we're not going to put them over in the indirect cooking aspect of this. Man, they look good. Do they not look good? Do they look good? You guys are close to eating. That's what I'm saying. And that's all. You give me some love because you want to eat. But that's okay. That's why I grill. That's why I love the barbecue. Last one here, going from direct to indirect. We got 350 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius. Drop the lid for 20 minutes, just like in the oven at home, and we're good to go. Oh, yes. These look great, don't they? Don't they look great? Come on. Yeah. We've been working for these now.